so who we here with?
CM Too Fly. Monarch got fans. Jada. RJ.
So the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Nah, not yet. Multiple.
Multiple? That nigga go. I'm trying to see if I want to get your number. You know what I'm saying? If I want to get your number, could I? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naomi and I'm back with another video. So, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing something funny. What I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be trying to get dudes' numbers with a chat phone. So, I'm gonna see how this goes because don't nobody use no chat phone no more. Don't nobody use no chat phone. But yeah, make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get right into the video. Alright, so who we here with?
Todd.
Alright, so the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Multiple.
Multiple? That nigga goes. Look, so since I guess you somewhat single. If I wanted to get your number, you feel me? If I wanted to get, hold on, I gotta turn it on. If I wanted to get your number, you feel me, on the chat phone, could I?
Shit, everybody go through struggle. Shit, gotta get it. They want you to know, gotta get that bitch.
Look, turn it on for you. I can get it still.
Shit. Gotta start somewhere. If we walk up over them, I'm allowed. Get that bitch. Shit.
Bye.
Big Motion Keon.
Alright, so the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Yeah.
You do? Alright, so look, let's say if I wanted to get your number. If I wanted to get your number. Can I get your number? Can I get your number? I can't get your number. I can't get your number. Hold on, I gotta turn on real quick. Alright, I can't get your number though. Alright.
Juice Master 3000. You already know who it is.
Alright, so the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Yeah, I got a girlfriend.
You do? Okay, so let's say if I wanted to get your number, hello. If I wanted to get your number, could I?
Hell no.
Alright, well, you gotta let it turn on. I gotta get
Got
your
a
number.
girlfriend. 1 year and 8 months.
What the fuck
Stop
is that?
fucking playing.
Can I get your number?
Oh shit! Wait a minute.
Okay, bro.
It's the Verizon Samsung.
Yeah.
My number.
For real? Okay, turn it on.
Hold on.
Turn it on.
Why are we back in the 80s for real?
Five.
Like, what the fuck is this?
561
Is this like old school Siri?
Yeah, talk.
1.
You bought
Okay.
You bought this shit from Dollar
Thank
Tree,
you.
didn't
Don't worry about that. I can get your number too. Alright, so who we here with?
Timmy.
Alright, so the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Nope.
You don't? Okay, so Timmy big single. So look, let's say if I wanted to get your number, right? If I wanted to get your number, could I?
Yeah. How the hell are you gonna do it with a flip phone though?
You could have typed your number here.
Like a lot of people got my number though. My number is popular.
I see you got them hoes.
Yeah.
Look, turn it on
yeah.
for you.
Yeah, my number is popular.
It's popular.
Yep.
I see you got hoes.
Hell yeah.
Never mind, I don't want you. Never mind.
You know what I mean? Fuck you.
So who we here with?
Bryce, right here.
Alright, so the question for today is, you got a girlfriend?
Nah, not yet.
So you single. Yeah. Okay, so look, so let's say if I wanted to get your number, could I?
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
With the flip phone?
Yeah, flip phone, yeah.
With the flip phone?
No, never mind. Get a iPhone.
So I can't get it with the flip phone?
Nah.
One night.
Huh?
One night.
One night?
Yeah.
Yeah, one night.
One night.
One night?
No, I said why not?
Oh, why not? I don't know. It seems kind of cheap.
Damn. Okay. So who we here with?
Clifton.
Alright, so the question for today is, you single?
Yeah.
Alright, so since you single, I'm trying to see if I wanted to get your number. Could I? I can't get on the chat phone. One night.
What is that?
It's my phone.
Jakar. PJ.
All right. So the question for today is: y'all single?
No.
No. All right. So look, let's just say if y'all was single and I wanted to get y'all number, right? Could I? Could I on the chat? I couldn't. One night.
Pack that shit, man.
One night.
Pack that shit, man.
Hold on. It's turning on for y'all. I gotta pick it back up.
Actually, just throw that shit on the ground, like
Why? Look,
the trash can, right?
it's turning on for y'all. No. Okay. All right. Hey, hi. Do you have like a girlfriend or anything?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. You want? Okay. Like, would you want to do me a favor? You want to do me a favor? Damn, nigga. You want to like put your number? You want to give me your number? You want to give me your number? Oh, why not? You want to give me your number? Why? Like we can FaceTime and everything, babe. Look, we can FaceTime like this. For real, we could FaceTime and everything. Alright, so who we here with?
More not got fans.
Alright, so the question for today is: you got a girlfriend?
It's some we talk.
Okay, so look, let's say if you were single and I want to get your number. Could I?
Fuck is that?
Can I get it? Can I get your number?
I don't think you can even text me off that.
I can't. We could FaceTime. We could. Hold on. It's turning on. It's turning on. Oh yeah, turn it on. Look, Verizon, trap phone, for real. It's turning on for you. That's the regular. You good?
Wait, let me see it for.
Babe, we could FaceTime. Okay, so like, do you have a girlfriend?
I got another person too.
No.
So you like single?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to give me your number? Okay, so hold on, I gotta turn it on. I'll get your number this free. Oh, y'all give me your number? Okay, sure, yeah. It's the real chat phone though. We can FaceTime everything, baby. We can be like this. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I can see you right here. Right here. We can FaceTime everything. Oh, God, you just got to send me the FaceTime link. I swear to God. Okay, put your number in. Oh, God, put your number in. Yeah, put both y'all numbers in. Oh, God. You know, I'm going to text y'all tonight. You know, we can get real kinky. You know, ready to give. Oh, God, I'm going to call you. Oh, God, we going to get there. It's going to get there.
No service.
It's going to get there. It ain't even go through. Your phone ain't even working.
No, that's your shit.
Your phone ain't even working. Don't even try to put my phone out there like that. Oh, who here with?
CM too far.
Alright, so the question for today is: you got a girlfriend?
No.
Alright, so you single. Okay, you single. I'm trying to see if I want to get your number. You know what I'm saying? If I want to get your number, could I on the chat phone? You feel me? On the chat phone.
Is it open?
Hold on, it got turned on. Hold on, give it a second. It's turning on. 1 second.
What the fuck?
It's turning on. Hold on.
What is that?
Hold on.
Alright, how you do it?
Hey, can I get your number 2 on the chat phone? I can get it.
Hell no. Alright, so who I'm here with?
Naija. Monty.
Alright, so the question of the day is: y'all single?
Huh?
Y'all single?
No.
Y'all ain't single?
I am.
You single? Yeah. Alright, so if I wanted to get your number, would you give it to me? You feel me? Fredo, would you give me your number? Say yes or no? It depends. What you mean?
I don't know.
So you don't know? You gotta think about it? Alright, then.
Okay, so are you single?
No.
You're not?
No.
Do you care?
Yes.
You still want to do me a favor?
Huh?
You still want to do me a favor?
Depends what it
It's
is.
not really bad.
Okay, depends what
Okay,
it is.
just like give me your number.
No. Oh.
Jada. RJ.
Okay, so look. Let's say if I want to get y'all number, you feel me? If I want to get y'all number. Travel, can I get y'all number?
Put that bit in there, cuz.
Can I get it? Can I get it? No.
What's your name?
Cam.
All right, so I've been thinking lately, like, my phone kind of getting dry, and I was wondering, like, can I get your number?
On that thing? No.
What's wrong with my flip phone?
right, so who we here with?
Bree.
Yawn.
All right, so the question for today is y'all single?
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay, so anyways, say if you were single and you single, whatever. So if I want to get y'all number, you know, you feel me? Hold on. If I want to get y'all number on the flip phone, could I? Look at Mark. Why y'all looking like that? I can't get y'all number. Look, turn it on. Hold on. Turn it on for you.
You got a camera?
Yeah, right now. It's the perfect size for like booty pics, right? All right. She can do it. Let me go face off.